Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make burger easy method. Press the meat lightly, shape into 1-inch patties with a center dimple, and season just before cooking to lock in juices. Heat the pan or grill to medium-high, then cook about 3 minutes per side for medium, flipping once. Rest patties briefly while toasting buns and assembling with your favorite cheese, sauce, and crisp toppings. To cook perfectly, start with a hot surface to sear and create a flavorful crust. Keep handling to a minimum and flip only once to keep juices inside the patty. If using cheese, add it near the end and cover briefly to melt. Toast buns face down for added texture. Let cooked patties rest for a minute before assembling to ensure the juices redistribute and the burger stays moist. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw here. It adds music and hands-free timers while you cook, which is super handy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling matters as much as cooking for a great burger experience. Toasted buns give structure and resist soggy bottoms, while a base layer of sauce helps protect the bread. Place the rested patty on the bun, add melted cheese, then crisp lettuce, tomato, and pickles for contrast. Use a gentle press to set the burger, slice in half if needed, and serve immediately with fries or a simple salad for balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.